What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process to set up and use the YubiKey 5 NFC in order to create an extra layer of security to secure your computer, network and the online services. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. First, let me introduce the YubiKey 5 NFC. This is actually a small USB or the NFC physical key that is being used to protect your online accounts and the personal information. So today here I have the YubiKey 5 NFC with the USB, but you'll get different types of keys with the different brands in the market depending on which device you actually use. So now I'm going to go ahead and set up this physical YubiKey to my Google account. So to do that, first thing first, I'm just going to go ahead and open up a browser from my computer. And here as you can see, I already signed into my Google account, so I'm just going to click on my profile and you'll get manage your Google account. Just go ahead and click on that, and from your Google account go to the security and scroll down until you get the password section. You'll get the two-step verification, so just go ahead and click on that, and it might ask you to enter your password, so just go ahead and enter the password. Now from here, just go ahead and scroll down and you'll get the security key option, so just go ahead and click on this arrow button right over here, and once you do that, you'll get the add security key option. Just go ahead and click on that once again, and you'll get two different options. So we're just going to select the physical and then click on next. Go ahead and click on OK and then OK again, and here it's asking to insert your security key into the USB port. So here I have my security key. I'm just gonna insert it to my USB port on my computer. Now once you insert your physical key, you'll get to see the light is blinking right over here and it says attach your security key. And once you do that, it will ask you to give a key name, so you can set up with any name. So let's say I'm just gonna type the YubiKey and 5 NFC. Once you're done, just go ahead and click on next. And now you're all done. Just go ahead and click on next again and do it again. And here as you can see, the security key has been added to my account. So now once you're done with this, now every time it's just going to log into your Google product, this physical key will be recorded with your login credential. So guys, this is how you can add your physical key to your account. And for some reason, if you want to delete or remove the physical key from your account, just go ahead and click on this delete icon and this will be removed from your account. But there is one more important thing. If I get back from here and then go down, and you'll get the option backup codes. Just go ahead and click on this arrow button right over here, and here you'll get 10 backup codes in order to log into your account somehow if you lost or broken your physical key. Now you can keep a backup by printing the code from here directly, and also you can download the code, and if you want you can take a screenshot, and be sure to keep this screenshot or download code in a safe place that you can find it once it's recorded. By this way you can physically secure your account. But for some reason, if you want to use this physical key to get the 6-digit verification code using the authenticator app, then the next things that you have to do, just go ahead and scroll down a little bit from here and you'll get the authenticator apps. Just go ahead and click on this arrow button right over here, and once you do that, first you need to download the Yubico authenticator application for your physical key. Now to do that, you need to go to the Yubico official website, and right over here you'll get the download option. If you're a Windows user, you can directly download it from here, and also if you're Mac or iOS or Android user, you can download it from here as well. So the reason why I'm a Windows user, I'm just gonna download this one. So I already downloaded and installed on my computer. I'm just gonna getting back to Google account once again, and I'm just gonna make this page a little bit smaller, and then I'm just gonna open up the Yubico authenticator application. And once you do that, it will actually ask you to insert your YubiKey. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert my YubiKey to my computer. Once you do that, get back to your Google account, and then now go ahead and click on Setup Authenticator. And once you do that, you'll get a QR code in order to scan this one. So now I'm just going to get back to the Authenticator application and then click on this logo right over here and then click on Add Account. It'll get the Scan QR code option. And if you click on that, it will automatically scan the QR code from the screen, and the information will be automatically included right over here. And once you do that, go ahead and click on Save, and it will be saved, and it will give you the 6-digit verification code in order to verify this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on next, and I'm going to enter the code right over here, and then just go ahead and click on verify. And here as you can see, the authenticator application has been enabled on the Google account. Well, so once you're done, every time it's just going to log into your Google account, the 6-digit verification code will be recorded. So guys, this is the way you can set up and use this physical key to your Windows 11 computer. In the next video, I'll show you how to use this physical key to your smartphone, whether it's an Android or iOS. So see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.